welcome to another investigation. This one basically taking a look at the pig codes. Right? First of all, start off with Moses, and you see how Moses becomes Saul. S-O-W. You got a Saul in the Moses, right? Now, you have apparently Moses, right? Become over 1,000 years after Abraham, right? You got the Ham. You got the Ham, which is again pig-like, right? You got Egypt, which is again pig. E-T in the pig, right? We know what E-T is. And then we've got Moses, which is the soul. The 3 soul, basically, or 33 in the soul. Right? Now we'll come to this, right, which is mesomorph, body type. Right? Mesomorph, again, you got the soul, the 3 soul idea, right, in that. Mesomorph is basically, you've got ectomorph and endomorph, right? And you've got the mesomorph in the middle, which is the one with the basically the triangular type of body shape, right? Which is what they're saying, and that basically corresponds to the one that's the trans, right? The FTM trans is basically the mesomorph, right? So that codes in with the idea of Moses, right? And the soul, the pig type, right? The best body type for bodybuilding. Of course, all these bodybuilders are FTMs, with their short arms and the sort of when they do that stuff on their stomachs and all that. And so, for example, that trans, what's it called? I forget the name. The rapper, the 50 Cents. Of course, the total FTM trans, mesomorph. Here you see this right here, glucose-dependent insulitronic peptides, GIP, or PIG, hormone produced by small intestines, and they are controlling blood sugar levels, right? We know how everything revolves around, for these transes, revolves around the injections of the hormones, taking of these trans drugs, right? Here's gastric inhibitory polypeptides, GIP, again. They call it an inhibiting hormone of the secretin family of hormones. Right? They call it secret. So the whole medical type of idea is coded with their transes, codes, right? Because they know that they're utilising these, what they all, hormone pathways or whatever, right? When their own transes are injecting all the hormones, right? Of course, that's why they're calling it the secretin family of hormones, because what they're banking on is that natural people are too thick to sort of even be able to comprehend this type of stuff, But of course, this stuff's very important to their own trances when they've got to regulate all nutrients and metabolism and all this, when they're injecting these hormones all the time. Again, you're seeing the pig codes in this, right? See this, right? Now I think there's a lot of codes in this, right? So domesticated pigs, i.e. transes, right? Arrived in Europe. They extensively interbred with wild boar. So this to me is coding in the fact that these transes arriving in Europe and then sort of interbreeding and blending in with the wild boar population, right? And they call the meat pork, which is crop. Crop in Norway, crop. Now we know the idea about the farming, the farming, the pharmacology, the pharmaceuticals. Right? So something funny about this code, right? The pig. Apparently they're saying that domestic pigs arrived in Europe from the Near East. But it's basically coding in a trans program, right? So a very important code, right? Susgrufa, the pig species, right? And of course, Jesus, right? Jesus. Again, he's saying this pig code, right? This is interesting, all right. Scruffer, sow, right? Female pig, sow female pig. Troyer, yeah. Vulgar slang, a bitch or whore, right? It's interesting, right? When you have the scruffer, right? The scruffer, right? You get the through a sauce. And the sauce becomes the to deal with the black youths, you know, what do you call it? You know, suspecting black youths and all that, really. Which is a sus story, which is a suspected person. Stop and search law, really. The day with the Vacancy Act 1824. Apparently they used to stop a lot of blacks in London and all that. Basically have the name Susan, right? Susan. So it's like Jesus, you know, Jesus. Of course, you know, lots of famous, like very famous Susans and Susannas. So when you have the domestic history, the domestic pig, and the ancestors, the common Eurasian wild boar, so scruffer, you get like the idea of a scruff, you know, like a scruff, you know. And the domestic, the contrast is with the domestic one. And then the warthogs of Africa, the war-hogs of Africa. So you got this type of thing where they're basically calling people as pigs. It's for human medical research, you know why, you know, because pigs are biologically similar to humans. So the pig is very important in the trans program. They use pig genetics and all this very much in their in the programs, you know. Hence all the pig stuff, you know, like Egypt and Moses and Jesus and all the rest of it. Esau's another one. But this pork become crop. You have the idea of crop rotation as well. We take this like the Garden of Eden, right? And do crop rotations. You could be talking multiculturalism. In fact, I would say that's what we're talking. Multiculturalism is crop rotation, where they swap and run the crops. Right? Again, the type of season, like Moses. Right? Moses is the seasons. Pork rotation, you know. And when you have a multiculturalism type of thing, right? Doing a crop rotation, right? Smart farming technique, as I call it here. It's a smart farming technique, changes the crops when they're in a planned order, you know. They call it smart farming technique. You see here, right? Most pigs root to some degree, right? They use a portal snout to turn over the land. Now you've seen that idea, right, of you know, when you roast a pig, right, you roast it over a spit, right, and you turn it over and cook it, right. See how that type of thing, you spit roast over a pig, and you turn the pig over and over, right, to cook it. Now your Mesopotamia, here again you see the sow, free sow, freeing the sow, like free pigs. And Moses again, like Moses, Mesopotamia, a teapot, Mesopotamia. Yeah, read it means between two rivers. Yeah, meaning a trans basically. Read. You see here the emergence of the pig as a symbol of Jewish identity. In the second temple period and beyond, the second one is in the sort of reborn, the trans. The Jew as other and other white meat. So obviously the pig, the pig is very important in this Jewish tradition. Symbolic power of the pig. See, very important idea within the Jewish. And again, when you got the sem, the sur, the sow, it's sow idea, right? And of course, it's they don't eat the pig, right? They don't eat the pig. Right? Prohibition against eating pork. Original divine command. And I would say basically is because the pig is absolutely intricate in the trans program, right? So you're talking about these people who've got a load of pig genetics in them, right? So they're not going to eat because it would be cannibalism. And then you have that saying, right? When pigs fly, when pigs fly, the thing about the trans medicine, right? So when they take the trans medicine, they're flying type of idea, right? So when pigs might fly, so it's like pigs do fly. If you're using pig genetics in the trans medicine, so it's like it's used in that sense. Or when pigs might fly, as if it's impossible, but it ain't, because it's used in the trans medicine, right? So pigs do fly. They use the pig genetics, to go into hormones and go through their system. Like all the secret network of pig genetics, the pig blood or whatever it is, So this is why the pig is in what do you call it, a divine creature or whatever in this religion and a few other ones, because it's utilised in the trans program. That's it, the major factor of the trans medicine. The pig's role in Jewish life. Stuff like this, US surgeons have successfully given a pig's kidney to a person. One will get a heart transplant from a pig. Well, it must be transes for a start. They've got that much trans, pig genetics in their own bodies that they can actually interrelate with the different organs from pigs, you see. It's gotta be what it's about, gotta be.